Hi friends, today we are going to learn a 5 command tricks which are going to surprise you, and it is easy to learn, and it will definitely it is a very interesting commands which are going to surprise you. And let's see what are the 5 commands. I have prepared a notepad with 5 topics. Here are 5 topics today we are going to learn in this video. How to add user account and password from command prompt. Usually we are creating user accounts from control panel and going into user accounts. Here manage another account and add new user in page settings. And present in my system there are 2 accounts are there, one my asset and one guest account. And like this we are creating a new user accounts, but today I will show you how to create user account from command prompt within seconds. Okay, first we have to go to command prompt cmd. Next type here net space user, net space user. It will show how many accounts present are there in your system. Guest account 1 is there, my asset account is there. Now I am adding new account, same command net space user space username of new account. I am giving here some new name, Tommy space / add, enter. You can see here the command completed successfully. Let's see the account is added or not. Net space user, enter. You can see here guest, my asset on Tommy. Tommy on the new account is also added now. Let's see in control panel also the new account is added or not. User accounts and manage another account. You can see here Tommy, a local account, has been added now, and I am giving the password to this account also. Same command net space user space username Tommy space. Here you have to give password. I am giving QWERTY UIOP. This is password I am giving. Give enter. The command completed successfully. Now I have set the password to that account also. Now I want to remove this account from my system. We can also do this from the command prompt also. Same command net space user space username / delete. The command completed successfully. Now you can check here also net space user. The Tommy account has been removed now. Previously we are see this Tommy account is here. Now after delete there is no Tommy account, and in control panel also we can see the Tommy account is not there. Like this we can create or delete and set the password for the new accounts. And second one, how to block website from your system. If your friends are using your system continuously, they are using your internet, but we can if you block the website from your system, your friends cannot access the internet. Okay, after that you can use your internet freely. Okay, let's see how to block website from your system. Okay, first I am showing you I have connected to my Wi-Fi and opening Google Chrome. Let's see here www.google.com. Let's see the internet is working now. Now I want to block www.google.com website. Now it is working. I'm blocking now. The Google page don't want to come now. Okay. For this, you have to go to run bar and type drivers. In this etc folder is here. Click on this and open the host file from the notepad. It is asking you have to open in notepad. Here you have to give some IP here, 127.0.0.2. I am giving some loop IP address 127.0.0.2. Here you have to give which site you are going to block. I am going to block google.com, www.google.com. Okay, and save this page and close. And now we are going to check whether Google is working or not now. I'm refreshing this. You can check, it is loading. You can see here the site can't be reached, means it is blocking. The Google URL is blocking now from that host file www.google.com. See this, it is not working. If you want to access internet, again you have to go to same path, drivers, etc, host, notepad, and you have to remove this from host file and save this and close. And now you can refresh this. I can see the Google is working. Like this we can block or access the internet like this. Next we are going to the third topic, how to know your Wi-Fi password from your system. Okay, everybody keeping the password secretly, but we can see that password also from command prompt. If a friend using Wi-Fi, he is not sharing his password to you, he is connected to his system, you can see the password from his system now. Let's see how. Present I have connected to Wi-Fi Kareem, and I will show the password now. In the command prompt, give this command net. After that, net VLAN show profile, and here you have to give username Kareem space key is equal to clear. Now this will open. In this we have to check which is our password. Okay, in this security settings you can check authentication here, have chipper here, security key here, key content here. This is key content is our password. You can see here 0987654321 is my password. Like this we can check your friend's Wi-Fi password also and your password also. And next we are going to how to hide files and folders. In this I am going to hide my files which are important to me, and we can see here so many files are there. I am going to hide this file photos. Okay, you can also hide which file is important to you, which is you can keep your data securely or secretly. And go to the folder and right click on this, properties, hidden, advanced, encrypt content to secure data. Okay, apply. Okay, you can see this here go to view and disable the hidden items. You can see the photos folder has now gone to hidden place. Okay, if you want to see that, you can enable hidden items. You can see the hidden item. I am enable a photos folder appear here. Like this we can hide our files and folders. Okay, last point, how to know website IP address. This is easy friends. Go to command prompt and I want to know that present how I am getting the Google from where I am getting google.com. Now type here command ping www.google.com. You can see present I am getting from this IP, the google.com coming from this IP 172.217.31.196. present I am getting from this IP. We can see Facebook also, ping space www.facebook.com. present I am getting the facebook.com from this IP 157.240.16.35. like this friends, we can check the website and URLs IP address also. Like this we can, so many command tricks are there. I have show some commands like this you can use and use. If you like this video, please share to your friends and please subscribe my channel to get more and more updates on networking topics. Please encourage me to upload more and more videos. Thank you friends.